District currently has 3 disinfectants in stock. All of them are effective against this virus. The first one is a hydrogen peroxide cleaner, which we use on many surfaces. The second is Rejuvenol, which is a hospital-grade disinfectant, which has a 10-minute kill. And then our pride of the place, the QT3, which has a 3-minute kill time. What a custodian is doing is when they come into the classroom, they're taking their spray bottle, and they are misting the surface. You go around, get a bunch of surfaces, get their trash, then come back, give it anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes to sit. They have a bucket full of disinfectant. So now this rag has also been soaking in disinfectant. It's a microfiber rag. They wipe the surface, all the hand touch areas, and then they let it dry. We do that general wiping and cleaning with our 3-minute disinfectant. We're coming back with our Pertastis sprayer. Now this sprayer, it has chlorine tablets, which you put in 99.9% of bacteria. Now what it does is it goes in the sprayer, and there's a UV light. See the UV light? The UV light actually charges the particles and makes it stick to anything on any surface. We're going around the classrooms, hitting all the general areas that we might not be able to wipe. And in that way, we're sure that everything's disinfected.